Question 1. Name a type of food. If you said Chinese, sorry, you are out. Don't say the same thing as lowest or you are out. Question 2. Name a fruit. If you said banana, you are out. Sorry. Question 3. Name a president. If you said Abraham Lincoln, you are out. Goodbye. Question 4. Name a singer. If you said Taylor Swift, you are out. Bye. If you haven't already, like and subscribe for more content like this. Now question 5. Pick a number between 1 to 5. If you said 4, you are out. How many did you get wrong? Tell us below. Lois out.